Hey y'all. Please, 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 please. Not too much, not too much. I know I ain't been here. Have not been here. Y'all, it has been so, so, so much shit going on in my life that I can't even keep up with YouTube right now. I'm not gonna say necessarily I can't keep up with a YouTube, but like, y'all, it is really so much shit going on in my life, and I can't wait to speak on it. But I'm one of them people that like I will wait until everything is done before I say what I want to say about it, because I'm dropping facts, I'm dropping receipts, I'm dropping everything that needs to be dropped, and I need all this shit to be over with so I can just move on with my life when it's all said and done. But as far as now, y'all, it's Sunday, December 21st, and it's 4:44. Clock it. It's 4:44, and I am about to get up and clean my entire house because I have to drive to Chicago for the holidays. So yeah, of course, y'all are gonna come with me. So I don't know if I'm gonna record more so of me cleaning like upstairs, like my room and stuff. I don't know. I might. I don't know. But yeah, we are gonna get started, and I'm just gonna brush my teeth and wash my face, and we're gonna head downstairs. So I will see y'all when I get back downstairs. Okay, so I am back and we're downstairs now. Um, I am about to turn on something on the TV, probably pass the mic to watch that while I'm cleaning up. Um, yeah, and I did forget to say, so if you are new here, welcome to my channel. And if you're not new here, welcome back to my channel, y'all. We're gonna get this rolling. It's gonna be 2026, and it's like I keep stopping and going, and I'm not trying to keep really stopping and going. So we gotta go and just go full throttle. Like, but they say when God give you the ball, you better ball to you motherfucking fall, okay? And that's the type of vibe that I'm going for 2026, because it's like the end of 2020 all the way till now. I feel like my life has just been get 10 steps up, get knocked 50 fucking steps back. It's just so much. I cannot wait to tell the story so everything can make sense, because I know y'all thinking like, what the fuck is this girl talking about? But yeah, it's gonna make so much sense when everything is said and done. But yeah, we finna get into it, because as y'all can see, my background looks a fucking mess. Like, my kitchen looks crazy. And my living room kind of a little bit. I need to like hang my stuff up. I still haven't did that. Okay, so now that I am done cleaning up my kitchen and downstairs area, I have to take my hair down, y'all. Like, I have been holding off on this for weeks. Like, that's how just in a funk I am. Like, so I don't want to take down my hair. I'm trying to do this, like, I don't want to be up all night doing my hair. I don't want to be up all night, period. I might go across the street and get me a buzz ball or something, because when I tell y'all life is life, it's fucking life. For sure. Let me turn past the mic down just in case y'all can't hear me. But yes, life is fucking life and it's irritating. Then just, I don't know. Definitely gotta take this shit out of my head though. And it's been up for like 2 months now. Like, it should just be able to literally just pull off as M1. Like, and I'm one of the type of person, like, if you're new to my page, y'all know I don't care. Like, I ain't saying I'm going outside looking any kind of way or nothing like that, but I will brush my hair up and put a tie on it so fast to the point that it don't even matter what's under my hair. Like, you know, like, I'm one of them people. Like, I don't really care about how other people, what other people think of me. Unless needed. But still, fuck them. At the end of the day, it's hot in here. Turn this heat off. So, yes, I have to take this down. Like, I have to. I didn't even know I still have that on my head. But I'm gonna wash my hair and stuff when I'm gonna come back. I'm gonna insert some clips of me doing my hair, but I'm not gonna take y'all through the whole process because I'm gonna turn my music on when I do that. And it's getting hot in here, so I will see y'all in the next clip.